Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Laiba Ali. I am a student of Omsetwa Fall 2020 and my section is BCS B2. My registration number is FA20 BCS 140. I am here to represent my topic of project, which is War History of Pakistan. First of all, I am going to talk about the border of Pakistan, and Pakistan have four main borders. First one is India-Pakistan border. The length of Indian-Pakistan border is 3,323 km according to the PGS, and it's the most dangerous border in the world based on the article written the foreign policy in 2011. Second one is the border with Afghanistan, which is also known as Durand line, and its length is about 2670 km. Third one is China Pakistan border, and its length is 592 km. Last and most important border is Iran Pakistan border. It's the international border between Iran and Pakistan, and its length is about 959 km. Now I am going to differentiating between LOC and LAC. Basically, LOC stands for Indian parts, and which is known as Jammu and Kashmir. LAC stands for Line of Actual Control. LAC separates Indian control territory from Chinese control territory. Now, one of the major cause of war of Pakistan is the issue of Kashmir. Basically, during the time of separation of subcontinent, Kashmir was given a choice to join either the Pakistan or India. But the Maharaja of Kashmir, Hari Singh, wanted to remain independent and tried to delay the issue during that time. But Indian rushed into the Kashmir and started the war. This was a miserable condition. After the War of Kashmir, main war was fought between Pakistan and India on 6 September 1965. It was a historic day in the Islamic history. War was started on early morning of 6 September, and it was initiated by Indian Army, and wish of Indian general was to defeat Pakistan by hook or by crook. Here are some articles giving the newspaper which actually went down in the war. Now I am going to tell you about the main reasons of war between India and Pakistan. First one is hostility between Muslims and Hindus, and second one is recent defeat of India from China. Actually, in 1962, Indian armies in Kashmir lost from China. This hurted Indian egos a lot. In order to gain its ego back, they initiated a war. And this war was started on August 1965. Indian forces crossed the ceasefire and launched attack on Pakistan. Initially, Indian found some progress in northern sector, but at the end of the month, both of the countries were at loss as Pakistan made progress in different sectors. So this neutralized the whole condition. Now, Indian attacks from various parts, which are given below: Vahaga sector, Keemkaran sector, Rajasthan sector, Sialkot sector, and Kasur sector. Although Indian had a better army, but tremendous bravery was shown by Pakistani. They became line of Allah and fought periodically for their motherland. Along with Pakistani nation, Pakistani soldiers showed sheer amount of good character. They fought wholeheartedly. They fought without food and sleep. Here are some heroes in the war, which was Major Raja Aziz Bhatti, who was the commander of Pakistan Army and played important role in 1965 war. He fought against worst enemies for 6 days from 6 September to 12 September. He attained Shahadat on 12 September on the bank of BRB. We couldn't deny the role of singers in this war. Role of singer were also significant in this war. Singer plays a vital role in boosting the confidence of soldiers. Singers like Niara Noor, Amanat Ali Khan and Malka Tarannum were the great peoples. Second military war took place in 1971 after the 6 years of First War. Basically, it was a liberation war. It begins with aerial attack on Indian station which led to worsening of mutiny. It only lasted for 13 days, but it was impactful war. Now I'm going to throw light on results of that war. There are two main results formed after the war. First one is in 1972, Bangladesh was given an independent state. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was taken out of the jail and made first PM of Bangladesh. Next result was Shimla Agreement was signed between Indian Prime Minister and President of Pakistan Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. According to that agreement, 13,000 kilometer of land was given back to Pakistan, which India had to occupy during that war. Thank you so much. That all is from my side.